J7 Star Tactical. So I wanted to put a 507K on my not a Glock 26, which has an RMR size cut. So I bought this titanium adapter from Amazon. We're going to see how this works out. Yeah, check that out. They put it in a little plastic case in there. That's pretty cool. Look at that. They went and labeled all of the screws too. So you've got screws for an EPS, screws for the mounting plate, 407K, 507K, the plate, and the tool to put them on. Fits in there very nice. Let's go ahead and screw it on. There we go. We got the plate all mounted up there. It's nice and flush along the sides. Fills that gap really nicely. Can't wait to take my 507K off my SIG P365 and put it on this not a Glock 26.